In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change project media location in DaVinci Resolve. If you want DaVinci Resolve to save or manage your project media in a different folder, this is a very quick setting to update. Changing the project media location can help you stay organized, especially if you want all of your files stored on a specific drive or inside a dedicated project folder. It's also useful if you're working with limited space on one drive and want to move future media to another location. To begin, open DaVinci Resolve and look toward the bottom right corner of the interface. In that area, you'll see the gear icon. Go ahead and click that to open your project settings. This is where DaVinci Resolve lets you control a wide range of settings for the current project, including timeline options, image scaling, and file locations. Once the project settings window opens, make sure you're under Master Settings. This section contains the general setup options for your project. From there, scroll down until you find the Working Folders section. Take your time here because there are quite a few settings on this page, and it can be easy to scroll past it. Inside Working Folders, look for the option labeled Project Media Location. This setting tells DaVinci Resolve where project-related media should be stored or referenced by default. When you find it, click the Browse button next to that field. A file browser window will appear, and this is where you can choose the new location you want to use. Navigate to the folder or drive you prefer, then select that location. It's a good idea to choose a folder that's easy to find later, especially if you're managing multiple projects. Keeping your media in a clear, organized location can make editing, backups, and file transfers much easier. After you select the new folder, the project media location will be updated. And that's it. You've successfully changed the project media location in DaVinci Resolve. As a quick tip, before choosing a new location, make sure the drive is connected and has enough available storage space. That can help you avoid issues later if your project starts growing in size. It's also smart to keep your media on a reliable drive, especially for larger video projects. That's all you need to do to change the project media location in DaVinci Resolve.